Alrighty, howdy, welcome to today's episode of Twist and Take Video. Today I am having my dream bike build built. I'm here with business owner and head mechanic here at DosOffTrack in the center of Girona, Boris Del Cid. Before we get started on the dream build, I just wanted to ask Boris a couple of questions about the business so that you guys can understand what DosOffTrack is and what Boris does here and a bit of the concept behind. So just tell us a little bit about your background within DosOffTrack or how you started the business and where the concept came from.
Yeah, so anybody that's visited Girona knows there's a ton of stuff for cyclists here. There's a ton of businesses catered to us. I always felt that there was a need for the specialist mechanics. So I don't have a bike shop. I don't sell bikes. I just fix on the just work on the workshop part of the business. So that was the idea, just to have a straight up just a workshop, no other businesses, no rentals, and that's how it came to be. I've been here for a few years now, and it's going really good.
And Boris started the business just before COVID, like literally the day of the lockdown was the day that he opened the doors here. So you've had an interesting couple of years in the build up to the point where now the business is really successful. You can jump on the Instagram, I'll pop a link to it down here. You're happy with how the business is going? It's keeping you pretty busy here. It's all working well?
Yeah, we were really lucky. We opened the business and as you said, we had to close it in hours, literally. But ever since then, I mean, cycling has just boomed in Girona, not only for the people visiting, but local people are riding much more. And so from the moment that we were actually able to fully open, it's been non-stop. So that's been really good. And yeah, just keep going.
Yeah, cool. Alrighty, so we're gonna crack on with the build of my BMC Teammachine SLR01, my 2023 bike. Boris has very kindly let us use the workshop. Well, it's his workshop, but Boris is gonna build the bike up for us. I really hope you guys enjoy this putting together of my dream build. And yeah, we'll see you on the other side. Cheers.
Size. Okay, 2.5.